Good afternoon, sir. This is Running Corpus. This is create your own database using PHP MyAdmin. Step 1. Punta tayo dito sa new. Click natin yung new. And then database name, QEP. Then create. Table name is students. Student. Then number of column 4. Dito tayo. Create. Type natin student ID. Ito is student name. This is email and age. Dito naman sa type, itong student ID natin ng int. And length values, gawin natin 11. Then null index primary key. Then go. Student name, varchar 100. Varchar ulit 100. int. Yan, huwag na natin galawin. int. Then save. So, para makita ang ating database, click natin itong student. Yan na po yung ginawa natin. And then, click natin itong insert. So, ito, student ID. Type natin yung student ID natin. Then, student name. Then, corpus, email. Then, age. Then, go natin. Yan. And, natin ito na po yung ating database. Insert into student ID, student name, value, age. Yan, nakita na po. And then, click tayo ng browse. Yan na po ang ating ginawa nating database. Basic lang po. Thank you po.